Today, we're embarking on a crucial journey to understand how a diploma in corporate governance can significantly enhance your career. The landscape of corporate governance is rapidly evolving, and with it, the expectations on board directors have intensified. Boardroom directors are no longer just figureheads. They are under increased scrutiny across various areas, such as risk, compliance, finance, and organizational security. Your ability to navigate the boardroom can directly impact your career and the organization you represent. A diploma in corporate governance equips you with the necessary skills and knowledge to face these challenges head-on, ensuring you're not just surviving but thriving in your role. The curriculum of a diploma in corporate governance is meticulously designed to cover the essential aspects of board operations, from understanding the various reporting tools required to navigating ethical dilemmas and fostering a positive organizational culture. This diploma ensures you're well prepared. It's about transforming you into a director who can effectively contribute to boardroom discussions and make informed decisions. But why is this diploma a game changer for your career? By delving deep into how boards function and the critical role of various committees, you become an invaluable asset. You'll possess the clarity and insight to not only identify risks, but also to devise strategies to mitigate them. This diploma doesn't just signify your expertise, it amplifies your impact in the boardroom, setting you apart as a leader. In conclusion, a diploma in corporate governance is your key to unlocking a world of opportunities. It prepares you to lead with integrity, make decisions that safeguard your organization's future, and navigate the complexities of the modern boardroom with ease. The question isn't whether you can afford to take this diploma, it's whether you can afford not to.